Hi guys, iqiniso ukuthi akekho umuntu ozalwe azi wonke. Even things that we are born with, siziphiwe, there are gifts or talents. They also still need to be cultivated. They also still need to be worked on. They also still either need us to discover how to utilize those gifts, how to work with those gifts. They still need practice. Even spiritual gift, something we are born with, but iyadinga ukuthi we aligned, and that alignment is a lot of work. Iyadinga ukuthi uyisebenzise, and that is practice until you are experienced. Even noma sekunjalo, you can never say wena wazi everything. The reason I'm saying this is hold somebody's hand. Be somebody that opens up a door for somebody. Be somebody that pulls somebody up. We are all given an opportunity by somebody. No mangaba when you might think kangakanani ukuthi you achieve and you are where you are and you have everything you have. Ngemight yakho, ngamandla akho, ngokwazi kwakho, ngokuhlakanipha kwakho. Somewhere along the way, along the journey, you needed somebody to believe in you, needed somebody to take a chance on you, you needed somebody to say your name somewhere, you needed somebody to teach you something. Ngathi singaba humility enough, be humble enough to understand that it is so not right to be withholders of information, to gatekeep for abanye abantu, to be people that close doors for abanye abantu, be people that withhold knowledge from abanye abantu, be people that sabotage abanye abantu. Ngathi singaba na enough humility, sibe humble enough to understand that izinto change all the time, and when somebody was a blessing to you to get you to where you are, and that it's only prudent and right to do the same to somebody else or for somebody else. Isisho sithi umuntu ngabanye abantu is such a deep saying. It's such a deep saying. It's a saying that, masicabanga, we must always remember ukuthi I am because we are. Noma kungangaziwa ukuthi how are you achieving, how are you being successful, at the end of the day, you had somebody assist you. You have somebody assisting you. You had somebody aber patient enough to teach you. May we be teachers to others. May we be cheerleaders to others. May we be those people that will speak positively of others. May we really, really have enough humility to understand that in life, izinto ziyajika. Liyakwazi ukumthatha osemnyango limbeke emsamo, uthatha osemsamo limbeke emnyango. You are blessed so that you can be a blessing to others in any scale, in any environment, in any setting, in any way. Ziningi indlela that you can be a blessing to somebody else. Ziningi indlela that you can be an inspiration to somebody else, that you can give somebody hope yokuthi kusengalunga. Life is always worth living. And it is in those small things that we will do that will create a change in Gulu in our lives. let us really, really be intentional about teaching others, about sharing your knowledge with others, about helping others, about holding the door open for others. And the least you can really do as a person, if you're not gonna hold the door open for somebody, if you're not gonna say something positive and say somebody's name in a positive manner, then rather don't say anything, rather don't do anything. But don't be a gatekeeper and don't be a sabotager. Sonke, we are journeying and trying to do our best for whatever reasons, for a legacy, whatever legacy that we are trying to build. Sihamba, we pivot along the road, along the way. We, sometimes we learn by our mistakes that we eswenzayo along the way. But at the end of the day, impilo is about learning and learning and learning and relearning and unlearning. Be kind to yourself and be kind to the next person.